Ukuthwala for money, success and riches. There are better ways to secure wealth and success with umuthi. The rituals of success from the humbled spirits of wealth that works with integrity other than the hijacked angry spirits of Ukuthwala that sometimes tend to haunt somebody. In each and everybody's bloodline, in that family, in those histories, in that ancestry, there are generations which were wealthy according to what they considered wealth by that era of living. Now you invite those spirits of this person and make them active spiritual guides of this person. The guides have to work strictly to guide this person towards his works and the means of income and make this person succeed in things he does. There are no everyday sacrifices and lots of demands from this one as that of Ukuthwala does. Yes, when I'm writing about this thing of Ukuthwala, I call it Ukuthwala as everybody, for the fact that if I will call it Ukuphakamisa, that I do, so few people will understand what I mean. But if I call it Ukuthwala, everybody knows that Ukuthwala is a ritual to bring about magic to make your wealth. Right. These spirits are helped to work up and serve this person to grow in success willingly, not hijacked and forced. They serve in their original form of ancestor spirits of success. Amadlozi empumelelo. Clean and good rituals for success are not all for making one successful. They also work for those who are already successful to protect and sustain their successes. True and humble rituals for success don't use magic but powers and the true ancestor spirits of that particular person, which makes it a gift than forced unknown spirits hijacked from other families as Ukuthwala for wealth, money and success requires. Straightforward and true rituals for success needs the body of that particular person who has to undergo the wealth ritual to be cleansed from all dirty and iniquities, spiritually and all other. The body has to be worked upon so that it does not oppose opportunities and be made to be magnetic to wealth and money than problems. Good rituals as opposed to Ukuthwala for money, riches and wealth last longer and forever. This is with the fact that it is not marked by anything, unlike the Ukuthwala for riches, which is marked by so many sacrificial demands, which leads to problems when not honored. You forever grow bigger and bigger and bigger if you use humble, good spirits, original spirits of wealth from your spiritual lineage. Your success is at the tip of your fingertips. You are what you dream to become. But because of obstacles in your way, you need to get someone like me, Khokhovula, who can force the outcomes of your life to be great and powerful ones. The time has come for you to shine. That is through these rituals of success, Ukuthwala for money, or Ukuphakamisa. For more information, you may kindly give me a call on these numbers: 073 037 3093 or 063 811 1178.